No matter how long you've been with your boyfriend, flirting can still add excitement to a relationship. One of the simplest ways to flirt is to use body language. When he looks your way, make eye contact and let your gaze linger for a while. Angle your body toward him and lean in close whenever he's nearby. Don't be afraid to get physical either. Try giving him flirty touches on the arm or shoulder as you pass by, leaning in for a kiss, or coming up behind him for a playful hug. Look for creative ways to show affection, like leaving him love notes or surprising him with a gift now and then. You can also try whispering something sweet, or a little bit naughty in his ear, or sending him a flirty text message. Being funny is also a great way to flirt. Crack him up with a corny joke, or get him smiling with a bit of good-natured teasing.